What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be my September hits and misses. I did get this video inspiration from Casey Holmes. She used to do these all the time and I absolutely loved them. So if you guys want to see what products from my previous makeup haul are hits or misses, which ones I think are worth the money, which ones I think you could save your money on, go ahead and keep watching. If you have not yet or you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you are notified every time I post. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So let's start off with the item that I was most excited about, and that was the Anastasia Norvina Volume 4 palette. So right away I was super excited about this, and let me tell you that I'm still so excited about this. That is what I'm wearing right now. I wore it in my previous video, and though you look at it and you think there are so many bright colors, I have gotten so many fall looks out of this, and I could do bright looks as well. So this is super awesome because this will work well in any season, any time of the year. Absolutely loved it. This is not a palette where you're gonna get a bunch of fallout. All of the shades in the palette are so pigmented, they're beautiful. And then the other thing is there are some finer shimmers and then there are some chunky glitters, and both are great quality and worked so well. If you've been eyeing it and you aren't sure if you wanted to buy it, splurge on it, this is a green light. It is totally worth it in my opinion, and I totally love it. Let's actually move on to something that was not in my previous video, and those are these lashes. I am not a huge fan of big dramatic lashes unless, it's like a birthday or, something super special. Something that I can totally wear daily and it looks so natural and it's affordable. That's hello. I buy a lot of high-end products, and to be able to have something that is affordable, I'm literally gonna go and buy 12 of these. So these are the Ardell Professional Naked Lashes. They are what I'm wearing right now. It says that it gives subtle volume and length, and they're lightweight, 100,000% true. I wore these to a wedding on Saturday, and I got a couple compliments, and I felt great wearing them. Most of the time I forget I was even wearing them, because they really are so lightweight and they look so natural in my opinion again. But so if you are looking for some lashes, you're new to lashes and you want to try them out and you don't want it to be super noticeable, I would recommend these. Or you just want some everyday lashes, these are them. So they are the Ardell Naked Lashes in the number 422. They look like this, and I did get them from Target. I believe they were like literally $3 or $4. Doesn't get any better than that. Up next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. This is the one that I heard so many great things about, and let me tell you, I can see why. It is very comparable to my all-time favorite Laura Mercier powder. It's so similar. It looks so smooth on. It really mattifies my makeup. I'm wearing it today. I don't get flashback from it in photos, and it's affordable. So once again, such a great find. I'm so glad that I got it. A great dupe for the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I am definitely going to be purchasing again. Next up, a quick hit for me was this bronzing brush from Sonia Kashuk from Target. I use it for my bronzer. I feel like everything goes on smoother. I've washed it a few times already and it's in great shape. It's very soft, very fluffy, pretty dense, and it doesn't fling around your bronzer. It really puts it where you want it. So seamlessly, goes on. So if you're looking for a bronzer brush, the Sonia Kashuk one is totally a go for me. Next up, I'm going to be showing you guys the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. Heard a lot of good things about this. I did purchase a shade Too Light, but I'm wearing it today. I'm working with it and I think that it looks great. I like a brighter under eye, so I do enjoy it. It is a thicker formula and it's not the easiest thing in the world to blend out, but I will definitely be buying this again. I love the quality of it. The coverage is fantastic. If you feel like you didn't get enough the first time, you can build it up and it's literally perfect. If you like full coverage under eyes and concealer, then you are going to love this one. I've been wearing it a lot lately. Next up, alongside that, it was not a new purchase, but just something that it had been sitting in the back for a while, and that is my NARS foundation. And I just wanted to give it a quick little shout out because I haven't used it in a while and I forgot how amazing it is. You need the slightest amount. It covers your whole face. The coverage is amazing. It lasts all night long. It is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Forgot how much I loved it. I had self-tanner on this weekend. It's darker, it matched me perfectly, and I'm obsessed. I am wearing it today too, just an FYI. Another hit from my haul was the Shade and Light palette. The hype is very, very high with this. Is it the most amazing product I've ever used in my whole entire life? No. Basically, the deal with this guy is I do love it, and I think it works really well. A good shade range. I like them. They work well. If you want like different cool and warm shades, then definitely pick this guy up. I do like it. I am using it. I'm wearing it right now. I've worn it multiple times and I do enjoy it. Just don't think it's like anything world changing, you know? But definitely do like it. I have that one and then just the Ulta brand one, and I do think this one is better for sure. Times are weird right now, but I think it would be like a great product for makeup artists. You are gonna have clients with different skin tones and whatnot, so I feel like that would be a very good way to use it. Next up is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. This is another thing that I actually really did like. I'm gonna keep using it, continue to use it. It did give me volume, it did give me length, and I really liked the way it went on. It wasn't super clumpy. I did like it for my top lashes. Again, nothing like world changing, but I really do like it. I would buy it again. I definitely do recommend, and I will continue to use. I do have it on today. I do like it. Again, just nothing like world changing. I'm really looking for something to just like blow my mind these days. Okay, you know what? I take that back. My eyeshadow palette definitely blew my mind. Right next to that mascara, I got this little trial size one from Fenty Beauty. It's the full frontal, and it's really hard to put on like with this tiny of a thing that close to your eyes, but I'll show you the shape of it is a little bit different. It's thick here, thin that way, and I actually really enjoyed it. And once I run out of some other mascaras, I think I'm going to purchase that one in the big size. Those little things you get with your points really do work, because now I'm gonna buy the full size. I have my Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. I totally love it. I'm wearing it right now. Such a pretty color. It is a matte. It's not like super drying like some can be, so I really do like it. I like the color. I think it's beautiful. The packaging is so cute, and I would totally buy again. If you're thinking about it, need a new matte lipstick, this one is a good one. And then actually I did pair it with something that came today, this NYX lip pencil. These are like super cheap, and I just wanted a lip pencil. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more nude, but it went really well with the Pat McGrath one, and I like it. It's not a super creamy formula, but for like $3, it was really nice. So if you need some cheap lip pencils, NYX has some good ones. So yeah, just wanted to throw that in there. Lastly, on my hits is going to be this MAC eyeliner. It's the Brush Black Brush Stroke Liner in black. It's just, I don't know, this and the tattoo liner are seriously my favorite. I don't know which one I like more. This one is just so like flexible and just glides on so well, and the black is phenomenal. I have a nice little story about this where it saved me today actually. You want to splurge and want a good eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It's got a felt tip and it does not fade or anything through the night. It is amazing. So that brings me to my misses, the things that I think that you could definitely save your money on. Not in my opinion worth buying, and I hate doing this, but this is sad. But I was super excited about the Peach Perfect setting powder. I did need new setting powders because I was stuck on my Laura one, and let me tell you that this performs super well. Makes my under eyes so smooth, so matte, so beautiful. It makes my whole face beautiful, but it's not the smell. So the smell is not super strong, it's not bad, but when you are patting it in with a sponge or using a brush and putting it all over your face, if any other powder had gotten anywhere near my mouth, I would have no idea. But with this one, I can literally taste it. If it gets anywhere near your nose, I can taste it. And that, for me, it's just a no-go. I am going to finish this up because it does work so well. I'm just going to do my best to hold my breath and close my mouth when I'm putting it on because I just don't want to taste it. And again, I'm so sad because this does work so darn well. But I can't get past like eating my powder, you know, like it's gross. I'm not trying to eat my powder, and I can totally taste this. Someone did make a comment when I bought it, and I was like, all right, we'll try it out. And yeah, if it goes anywhere near your nose or your mouth, you're done for. So it's, you know, hopefully they will come out with something that has the same formula, just not the taste and the smell, you know? But otherwise, I'm so sad to say this was a miss, but I wouldn't buy it again, you know? So I'm telling you guys that I would rather spend like the few dollars on the Wet n Wild one than spend 30-something dollars on this one. This is another sad one. I was very excited about this and I thought it was really gonna help. I accidentally bought the Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner in Trooper Black. I thought this was the regular tattoo liner that I normally buy, but I didn't realize it was the Dagger one, and then when I opened the packaging I was like, oh, this actually might make a winged liner easier because it does have that, you know, angle, and I was like, wow, maybe that'll make it so much easier. I tried it today and I literally had to stop. I'm like, I'm gonna ruin this eye look, I'm gonna ruin the makeup because it was just so hard to maneuver the angle. I wasn't exactly sure. I'm gonna give it a few more goes, obviously. I'm not just gonna toss this, but if you're used to a regular tip, I wouldn't buy it because, you know, it's just a pain in the butt. I would rather just buy the regular tattoo liner, call it a day, know it's gonna be great, not have to relearn a new shape. So yeah, just not what I thought it was gonna be, not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I'm sure the quality is great, but to have to relearn a new liner and then probably have to mess up a couple looks. In my opinion, stick with the regular tattoo liner. Don't accidentally buy the Dagger one because not a fan of the shape. That brings me to my next. This one was a pretty big fail. I'm stuck on my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's amazing, I love it, but I'm like, you know, I want to try something else, try something new, and I didn't really want to spend like $20 on a brow setter. So I looked on Target's website and e.l.f. had one. e.l.f. comes out with some amazing things sometimes, honestly. This one not so much. So one end was brow and one was lash. It says lash mascara, but I think it's just like a conditioner, which is good for your lashes, and I've been using it. It's too soon to say that I've seen results, but the other side was supposed to be a clear brow gel. And for me, that means setting it in place and not moving, and that is not what this does. For a $2 product, what was I expecting? I don't know, but sometimes they really do have the best stuff for the best prices. This one, don't be fooled, don't get it, honestly. I go through my brows, they're in place, they look like they're wet, and then they look like they dry down, and as soon as anything touches them, if my little hairs touch them, it's no longer stuck where it was. So in my opinion, not worth it whatsoever. It doesn't keep them in place for more than 10 minutes. So don't waste your $2. That's all I gotta say. Lastly, was one of my little sample things. So I've heard amazing things about the Ole Henriksen stuff. This is the Sea Rush Brightening Cream. I hated it, like so much. If you are into thick creams that don't soak into your skin, you might like this. I'm not really sure what the hype is about. Wasn't a fan. I love the Tatcha water cream. It's so, literally feels like water. It's so thin and goes right into your skin. You can feel the hydration, you can feel it, and it's just amazing. That stuff just sits on your skin. I literally woke up the next day after putting it on at night and it was still like thick on my skin and didn't go in. And I have very dry skin, so it should be soaking it up like crazy, and it didn't. So this, I will not be buying a bigger size. Thank goodness for the point system, so I knew not to buy a big one. But yeah, so there were seriously so many good things that I'm so happy with. That all the ones that I loved, I loved. Like the eyeshadow palette, the lashes. I am so obsessed with the lashes. $3-4 for this. I will continue to buy. There's so many good things, and I really wanted to share that with you guys. Please leave a comment if there's any of these things that you've been eyeing or you decided you are now going to purchase. Let me know. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see. I had so much fun. I love new beauty products. I totally love the look that I have on today. I've been loving everything that palette is creating. I love you guys. I love making videos. I love doing my makeup. I love feeling pretty. And if you feel that way, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!